Hey guys, now it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I will. It's my holiday, by the way. So I think I will go for a little long ride today. But take it easy. I'm not gonna make it super fast. Okay, let me start setting my watch and change to riding mode, and let's go. Now 20k is my usual place to stop. Was good. Still long way to go. Nice weather though. I got to Ueda city, Ueda station too. Now it's time to go back. Now 60k. I came to the same spot that I stopped 20k's ago, so now I stop with this fried chicken. So hungry. Looks so good, huh? Good. I think I will do like 5 minutes break and then I'll go back later. Now it's 80k. I stopped exactly the same place like 2.5 hours ago. The last 20k I just keep like speed up all the way for 20k. My legs getting sore. But yeah, I will rest maybe 3-4 minutes and then I'll go back. Should be fine. got home now. 100 kilometers. It was fun. A little bit tired, but it was good. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. See ya.